Let's talk about a bug that is, in the words of my entomology professor, kinda stupid. So if you are any type of gardener or have houseplants or any way plant adjacent, you probably know about aphids. They're a pest, they're annoying, they're just destructive, and they're also kind of fucking stupid. When my professor was talking about aphids a couple weeks ago, it's like, yeah, they're idiots. They don't have any defenses. We were talking about larva locomotion, and one of the points was legless, super slow-moving larvae can still be predators because they prey on aphids, which are too stupid to try to escape. So this is a hoverfly larva, and it kind of looks slow and useless, which it kind of is, but it is still an active predator because it goes after aphids, which are even more slow and useless than this larva. So the hoverfly larva just inches its way up to the aphid. The aphid will, I'm assuming, see it and just be like, eh, until it gets eaten by the larva, because it just didn't run away, despite being in possession of legs and sometimes wings. But I mean, I guess it's working for them, probably just because they produce a large amount of offspring, so even if they just keep getting eaten, there's still more of them. Which, honestly, it works. Another kind of seemingly maladaptive trait in aphids is they eat entirely plant sap, which is basically the fluid produced by plants, and it is very, very high in a bunch of different carbohydrates. So, very high in sugars and stuff. So you would think that the aphids would be just profiting off of this because it's super high in nutrients, but no, aphid metabolism is very bad at processing carbs, the main source of their food, like the thing that makes up most of what they eat. They're bad at processing it. So what happens is they just eat a ton of it, which isn't great for the plant, and they process a small amount of it, what they can, get the sugars and protein, whatever, make amino acids out of it, and then they just excrete the rest. They shit it out. So this results in a super sugary, basically excrement coming out of the back end of the aphid that other insects will then take advantage of. This here video that I stole off the internet is an ant milking an aphid in order to get that sweet. So the ants will take advantage of that super nutrient-rich milk that these aphids are producing and basically use them like cows. And again, the aphids are too stupid to do anything but just sit there. They're so dumb. But now we know what's up with these guys from A Bug's Life.